ओके, आज आपण 4th चॅप्टर जो आपला आहे जॉमेट्रिक कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स हा शिकणार आहोत. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी सम कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स फ्रॉम द चॅप्टर जॉमेट्रिक कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 4 स्टँडर्ड 10th. My name is Mrs. Ishani Dhere. I am teaching in Modern High School, Shivajinagar, Pune 5. So students, there are 3 different types of constructions of a tangent to the circle. So the first construction we are going to study now. So constructions of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. So the first way to do this construction is using the center of the circle. The question is, draw a circle with radius 4 cm and take a point P on it and draw tangent through point P. So students, let us do this construction. So for this construction, first we will take radius 4 cm with the help of our ruler. So always keep it in your mind that when you will fix a particular pencil in the compass, you have to hold the compass in perpendicular way to the notebook. You have to hold it perpendicular to the notebook so that your pencil will be fitted properly. Now we are going to take 4 cm in our compass. So to take 4 cm distance, hold the ruler in the vertical way and take 4 cm properly in this way. So now I have taken 4 cm distance in compass. Fix a point on the paper. Let it be C, point C, and then draw a circle using center, because in this construction we have to draw tangent to the circle and we are using center of the circle. So draw the circle at once only. Now we have drawn the circle and center is C. Now we will take one point on this circle as point P. Now through this point P, we will draw a tangent to the circle. Now all of you know that tangent to the circle means which is perpendicular to the radius. Perpendicular to the radius, and tangent intersects the circle only in one point. It intersects the circle only in one point. Now students, let's draw a line which is passing through center and point P. We will extend the line. Extend the line from both the sides. We will extend this line from both the sides. It is not necessary that you should extend the line from both the sides. And we will mark the arrows because it is a line. Now you have to take some distance in your compass, some suitable distance you have to take in the compass and mark, keep it compass on the point P and mark arrows on both the sides. Mark arcs on both the sides. So now you can see there are two arcs which are drawn by taking some suitable distance in the compass. Now extend the distance in your compass. Now keep your compass at one point of intersection of arc and the line. Take some suitable distance in your compass and mark the arcs, one above the line and one below the line. One above and one below the line. Now with the same distance, keep your compass on the another point of intersection of a line and arc. And again draw the same type of arcs, one above and one below. When you are doing this construction, you have to keep your pencil sharpen so that there will be accuracy when you are doing this construction. Now what you have to do is draw a perpendicular passing through point P and two arcs. Perpendicular line we have to draw. Now here also we have to use a sharp pencil to draw this particular line. So now students, draw it properly so that we can draw this particular line through point P and the intersection of two arcs. So now whatever line we are getting, this line is called as tangent to the circle through point P. Now this construction we have done using the center of the circle. Now we will see the second construction.